If you fly drones long enough, it's not a matter of if you're gonna crash, it's when you're gonna crash. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring these RC-style gimbal guards for the DJI Neo. Full transparency, everything you'll see in this video was purchased with my own money. None of this was sent to me, and this is not a sponsored video. So I recently started flying this thing FPV. I've got the RC3 and I've got the Goggles 3 here. And the Neo is a boatload of fun. Like flying it, doing the autonomous flight stuff is cool. And even with the RC2, you know, it's cool, but it's not as cool as putting on those goggles and actually having a first person view experience. And so one of the things I was concerned about though is the distance between the front edge of the frame and the gimbal. There's not a lot of space there. And so I wanted to get something that's gonna give me a little bit better protection. And these gimbal guards here fit the bill. So as you can see here, there's quite a bit of space there between that gimbal guard and the gimbal. And so that gives me a little bit extra protection so that, you know, when I run into something, I'm not going to potentially damage my camera. And so, you know, they're very easy to install. You literally only have 2 screws here. You take those 2 screws out. They give you the screwdrivers you need for taking out the OEM screws and also the screwdrivers for installing their screws. They give you 4 of them. They're tiny, but 2 to go in and 2 as backups. And that's where they go right there. Once those are in, it's all set and ready to go, guys. And you got some protection for your camera. So if you guys are flying these things FPV and you want some extra protection without messing up your flight characteristics, I highly recommend getting some of these gimbal guards here. I hope this helps.